Got a minute? Let's make this. It's a one skillet wonder for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Flour tortillas become a giant flour tortilla, and that's just the beginning. Here's what you'll need. 6 flour tortillas. These are called 8-inch table size. Overlap them in an oven-safe skillet. See, it's a flour. Grab a can of your favorite chili, heat it up, and pour it all over the tortillas. Now make indentations in the chili and carefully nestle the eggs in each hollow. Place the skillet in the oven and cook for a few minutes until the egg whites start to set. Then add your toppings. Pico de gallo, a delicious salsa. Kick it up with diced green chilies, some olives, and cilantro. Then sprinkle the whole thing with shredded cheddar. Back in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes or until the eggs are done just the way you like. Now scoop it onto a plate and enjoy. Crispy tortilla and all. We'll see you next time on the 1 Minute Kitchen. 1 Minute Kitchen proudly presented by these sponsors.